Hey team, today we're going to be making an 8-page mini book using one piece of 11 by 17 paper and a pair of scissors. The first thing you should know are the two different folds that I'll be using. The first one is a hamburger fold, so this is our hamburger bun, and this one is our hot dog fold, long and skinny. So let's get started. So first you're going to do a hamburger fold. Make sure you get your corners nice and lined up. Next, we're going to do another hamburger. This is going to make me hungry. And another hamburger. There we go. I like to use the 11 by 17 paper because this will be the size of your book and it's nice to look at. It's not too thin. So now I'm going to unfold it so that I can see 4 quadrants, 4 squares. You'll see that I have the open edge at the top and the folded edge at the bottom. I'm going to use my scissors here to cut this line, so from the center down to the folded edge. This is where the magic happens. Now we're just going to open that up. You can see I've got the cut in the center. And we're going to do a hot dog fold. Okay, I just need to make sure these two sides are creased. There we go. Now, if I stand it up, you'll see I've got this diamond in the center. I'm going to be using that in a second, but I just want to make sure that I crease back and forth these two end sections. It's just going to make my book smoosh a little bit easier. There we go. Now I'm going to stand it up with the fold on top. I'm going to make that diamond and I'm smooshing it together. There we go. So there's 3 pages and I fold it over to make a nice little 8-page book, and that includes the front and the back cover. So you see I've got pages inside, and this can be used for a variety of projects, little children's books, your Elements and Principles of Design booklet, whatever you like. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.